Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the next type of construction of square from exercise 5.5. Before see how to construct the square, let us recall the properties of square. In square, all the sides are equal. The second property is all the angles are equal to 90 degree. The third properties are diagonals are equal and bisect each other at 90 degree. Using these properties, we are going to construct the square for the given measurement or given sides. From the sum, exercise 5.5, fourth one, construct the following squares with the given measurements and also find the area. The first square given is EAST. Here the side EA is given as 6.5 centimeter. Using this side and the property which we learned, we are going to construct the square. First, you have to draw the rough diagram EAST. EA is given as 6.5 centimeter. And we know that in square, all the sides are equal. Therefore, AS is also equal to 6.5 centimeter. ST is also equal to 6.5 centimeter. And ET is also equal to 6.5 centimeter. And the second property we see is all the angles of a square is right angle. Therefore, angle E is 90 degree, angle A is 90 degree, angle S and angle T are also 90 degree. Using this rough diagram, we are going to construct the square. For that, first you have to draw the line segment EA equal to 6.5 centimeter. After drawing the line segment, you have to construct the perpendicular line to the line EA using the compass. First, you have to draw the arc from E with the same radius. You have to cut the first arc and again with the same radius you have to cut the second arc. With the first and the second arc, you have to cut the other two arcs which will intersect at the point. Then you have to join the point and E, and we name that line array as EX, and this angle is equal to 90 degree. And the next we see that the four sides are equal. Therefore, the side ET is equal to 6.5 centimeter. You have to take 6.5 centimeter in your compass. From E, you have to cut an arc. That is 6.5 centimeter. Then to mark the point S, you have to take 6.5 centimeter in the compass. Then you have to draw two arcs from A and from T. That two arcs will intersect at the point S. Now you have to join this TS and AS. We will get the square EAST. After constructing the square, you have to write the construction, how you construct the square EAST. Draw a line segment EA equal to 6.5 centimeter. At E, construct EX perpendicular to EA. And with E as center, draw an arc of radius 6.5 centimeter and let it cut EX at T. With the T and A as center, draw arcs of 6.5 centimeter each and let them cut it as S. The next point is join TS and AS. Now EAST is the required square. Then in the question they had asked to find out the area. Here the area of the square EAST is equal to, we note area of a square is equal to side into side square units. The side is given as 6.5. Therefore 6.5 into 6.5 we get the answer as 42.25 square unit. Now let's see the next method of constructing the square when one of the diagonal is given. That is the square WEST. WS is given as 7.5 centimeter. Using this measurement and the properties of this square, we are going to construct the square WEST. Before constructing the square, you have to draw the rough diagram. You have to draw the square and name it as WEST. And the given measurement is WS is given as 7.5 centimeter. And we know that in square all the angles are equal and diagonals are equal and bisect each other at right angle. We are going to use that property. First, you have to draw the line segment WS equal to 7.5 centimeter. It is one of the diagonal and the next diagonals will bisect each other at right angle. Therefore, you have to draw the perpendicular bisector for the line WS. To draw the perpendicular bisector, you have to take more than half of the length WS. Then you have to draw the arcs From S, you have to draw the arcs, one above the line WS and one below the line WS. With the same measurement from W, you have to cut that previous arc and you have to mark the point and you have to join the line using the scale. This line XY is perpendicular bisector to WS and it will intersect at O, and the angle between this WS and XY is 90 degree. Then we know that diagonals are equal, therefore the one of the diagonal is equal to 7.5 centimeter. It is an angle perpendicular bisector, so it is the half of 7.5, that is 3.5 centimeter. You have to take 3.5 centimeter in your compass, and from O you have to cut the arc that will intersect the line OX at T, and you have to cut the another arc that below WS that will cut the line OY at E. Now you have to mark the point E and T. Then after marking the point, you have to join the sides of the square using the scale, that is joining WE, ES, ST and TW. You have to join all the four sides. Now WEST is the required square. After constructing the square, you have to write the construction. Draw a line segment WS equal to 7.5 centimeter. The second point, draw the perpendicular bisector XY to WS. Let it intersect RMS WS at O. With O as center, draw an arc of radius 3.75 centimeter on either side of O, which cut OX at T and OY at E. The fourth point is join WE, ES, ST and TW. Now WEST is the required rectangle. The next you have to construct, find the calculation of the area. To find the calculation of area, we have to know the side of the square. We have only the diagonals in the given measurement. So you have to measure the side of the given constructed square using the scale. If you measure this one of the sides, we will get the side as 5.3 centimeter. Using this measurement, we are going to find the area of a square WEST equal to side into side square units, that is 5.3 into 5.3. We get the area as 28.09 square centimeter. Therefore, the area of the square WEST is 28.09 square centimeter. Thank you.